Michael Avenatti, facing decades in prison in California, says justice will be done. Santa Ana, California. Michael Avenatti requested to waive his right to a preliminary hearing as he faces charges of having embezzled more than $1 million from a client. U.S. Magistrate Judge John Early set April 29 for Avenatti's post-indictment arraignment. Outside the Orange County, California, courthouse, in a meeting briefly with reporters and a battery of television cameras, Avenatti vowed to fight the charges. 4. Now, he said, he will be winding through the justice system himself and I. Though he spoke only for about a minute, a heckler tried to shout him down with taunts, including J-On accusing him of being a porn. Daniels, the adult actress who alleged she had an affair with Trump, has since parted ways with Avenatti. Daniels, when the case was at its height, Avenatti, 48, became an overnight household name and a fixture on cable TV news shows. Now he is charged with having worked out a $1.6 million settlement in a case, then provided a client with a phony settlement agreement that indicated the money wouldn't come until later. Avenatti is alleged to have used the settlement money to cover expenses related to a coffee company in which he had a business interest, Global Barista US, which ran Tullis Coffee in Washington State and California. He also is accused. There are also issues related to loans he received from a Mississippi bank. He is charged with. When the charges were unsealed in California last month, IRS Special Agent Ryan Corner painted Avenatti as having engaged in elaborate. The case was being heard not far from Avenatti's former offices in Newport Beach. Avenatti faced a separate legal trouble with the Justice Department on the East Coast. Federal prosecutors in New York brought 4 counts of extortion and conspiracy against him in March in a case in which he is alleged to have demanded money from Nike. If the sneaker maker didn't pay up, Avenatti was going to say Nike made improper payments to high school basketball players, it is alleged. As outlined in the federal prosecutors asked that an order in that case that prevents Avenatti, who is free on bail, from speaking with potential witnesses be extended to his Orange County case. Avenatti has sought permission to travel while under indictment. He faces more than. This article originally appeared on USA Today.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.